What's going on, Creative Kings and Queens? In today's video, we're going to talk about a Goodwill letter and how that can help you get a late payment removed from your credit report, because late payments hurt. Let go. Welcome back. If you've been here before, welcome to. If this is your first time here, my name is EJ, and on this channel, man, we talk about me, because I'm trying to get my credit score to 800, and I'll give you guys tips and tricks and things to do along the way, just in case you're in my situation and you want to, you're trying to do the same thing. I'm going to ask you guys to make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell when you guys can know when I drop my next video. And on top of that, I'm asking you guys please to help me get to 1,000 subscribers. We're so close. I'm still not at my watch hours yet, so I'm not going to get monetized, but it'd be nice just to be at 1,000 subs. But yeah, so today's video, I'm going to talk about a Goodwill letter and how it can help you. Okay, so in this channel, man, I'm being fully transparent. So this is something that you guys need to know about me in this channel. Like, I let you guys know everything. All right, so I had some missed payments from my car in over a year or so span, where I got up to 90 days late. And I had a couple 60s and like 3 or 4 30s. So it's really hard to get those off. So I'm gonna try. I'm gonna send this letter out and I'm gonna see what happens. They could say yes, they could say no, they could drop a little, they could drop 1 or 2, whatever they're gonna do. I'm hoping they at least take down. I'm hoping they at least take down my 30, 60, and 90-day initial payments. We'll see. But if you're in a situation where doing this, you know what I'm saying, this pandemic, that you missed the payment, or you know what I'm saying, you've had good history and you missed the payment because of that, you lost income, whatever. This is a great way to reach out to the creditors and ask them not to put that on your credit report or to remove it from your credit report. Now, you're asking them out of good faith. You understand that you messed up, and you explain to them what happened. And you saying you hype yourself up a little bit, say, you know what I'm saying, I've been making payments on time for X amount of time. This is my first time or second time, due to this, due to that. And then you ask them to remove it. And in turn, you would probably ask, if I do auto pay, would you guys be willing to remove it, or something like that. Something to incentivize them to remove it for you. 9 times out of 10, if you're have 1 or 2, they'll remove it. But in my situation, I'm not sure if they're gonna do it, and this is an experiment. Like I said in my video before, I'm a guinea pig for you guys. So I'll let you guys know what happens. So for right now, I send it out today. It's right there. I'm gonna send it out, and we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. But I suggest you call them first. Always call your creditor first and tell them what's going on. Maybe they'll extend your time frame, or they'll push that payment to the end of your contract or your lease, whatever it is, and then you'll be good. So they'll do that a couple times. See what happens. Goodwill letter is a good way to get out of that, because we all know payment history is the most important thing on your credit report, and which is why I'm trying my best to at least get some of those late payments off. If I can get it up to high 90s, because right now at 80%, that sounds good. 80%, right? That sounds good. But if you miss 1 payment and drop it down to 99%, one of the guys' video, I think it's Matthew Perry, I think his name, he did it. I think it was him. He missed 1 payment and then dropped it down to 99%, and his credit score tanked from 99%. So I know that this is the reason why that my credit score is hitting a plateau where it seems like it can't go no higher than what it is right now. But if I can get those removed and get those derogatories removed and get my inquiries removed and get my addresses, the name, all that updated all together in the next few months, I'm pretty sure I can get my score up to about 680, 690. So we'll see. But yeah, it's just a quick video. Gonna let you guys know about Goodwill if you never heard of it, and how it can benefit you if you missed the payment recently. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, man. And until next time, make sure you guys stay up. Oh, that hurts. Get your credit score up. Until next time, you guys. I'm out.